So, do online scammers get caught? Well, here you go. 4,000 people arrested in a huge crackdown of online scams. They seized $250 million in assets, high-end vehicles, froze bank accounts. A lot of things happened. And how do these people do the scams? They had phishing schemes, investment fraud, romance scams, impersonation scams. So, as a victim, I'm sure that one of those is the type of scam that you fell victim to. The scammers do eventually get caught, but you have to be patient and you have to do all your filings. You have to file with IC3, you have to file with your local law enforcement. It may not happen right away, the results, but what you may find is when the bigger cases start to get into the system and get some momentum, the fact that you're already filed is going to help you. You also may want to do some of your own investigating to see if you can prime the pump a little bit, find out who the people are, find their assets, document some of your screen. Your video will be back in 8 seconds. In the meantime, remember, you have access to live one-on-one consultation, undivided attention of a licensed certified expert in this subject and many others. We want to listen to your story. We want to hear your questions and give you expert advisement of your options. We want to tell you what we know about your situation and what options you have. Now back to your video. Screenshots. If you do want to get more information about how to maybe recover from one of these scams, you can click the link below, activeintel.com. We have available private consultation with fraud victims if you'd like to find out what your options are. But either way, make sure you don't send these scammers any more money. Make sure you document everything. Make sure you put your filings into the right agencies. And if you're going to do some investigation, find out maybe third parties who may have liability that could kick in some money towards the recovery if they enabled the fraud, extended the fraud, did anything to help it, even if they didn't know it was an actual scam. If they were part of the network of enablers that made this happen, they may have liability and they may have insurance that could cover some of the cost, where the scammer is probably more fly-by-night. Thank you for watching. Remember, you can access live one-on-one personal consultations with a licensed private investigator, a licensed commercial insurance broker, licensed certified real estate title examiner, also a certified civil court mediator. So if you have a need to talk to an expert in any of these fields, or even a licensed building general contractor, you can click the link below, actualhuman.com, and arrange a live one-on-one undivided attention with a licensed expert where you can ask any questions, get information about your situation, and we'd be glad to help.